Yo, Philly here from Philly's Garage. So, you turn your switch on, and your check engine light is just, let's see if you've seen that or not. Yeah, you should see that. Okay, excuse the camera. Anyway, it's not a flash like a mist, but it's like a flicker on the check engine light. And you got nothing when you hit the key. I mean nothing. So, I'm going to show you where I found it to be. And I had no data at all. I couldn't read my data through my scanner. So we come over here and we open the back door on the passenger side. There's the battery. And this panel between the B pillar. Excuse the glare, but anyway, there we go. Sorry guys, but these grounds right there. So there's a rubber gasket on this side of that bolt, and then it goes through where all the rust and everything can be on the other side. So it has to ground through the threads. Anyhow, maybe that's not right. Maybe somebody's been in here before. I don't know. But I can tell you this: as soon as I fix that, loosen that bolt, and clean the threads out, tightened it back down, things started up around like $1 million. So, again, in any kind of Acadia, Traverse, Enclave, Outlook, and whatever the hell the Cadillac version is, they've all got that major ground point right there. There's ground points over here. There's one down here. And I'm sure a zillion more somewhere else. But fix that one first. That's the main one. Peace out from Philly's Garage.